I invite you to dive into an amazing world where you will see the rain of fire, rivers of liquid metal, the world's largest press, the most dangerous moments when working with red-hot iron, and much more. Watch the video till the end. This episode is going to be very hot. Working in steel mills is quite dangerous. Look how a red-hot rod almost hit a worker. You have to be on your guard all the time. At any moment, something can go wrong in production. When metal is heated to a red-hot temperature, a thin layer of oxidation or scale can form on its surface to help protect the metal from further oxidation. This is how hot metal pipes are produced. This guy's job isn't easy, but you will see more epic workers next. See how the red-hot liquid metal takes shape under high pressure. An interesting fact about beating off a red-hot piece of metal with a large hydraulic press is that the metal can bounce back and return to its original shape after being flattened. This phenomenon is known as elastic bouncing and occurs because the metal is heated to a temperature that allows it to change shape without losing its elasticity. When metal is subjected to the impact of a hydraulic press, it flattens out and seems to take a permanent shape. But when it cools, it shrinks and springs back to its original shape. This effect is used in the manufacture of some metal parts where precise dimensions and shapes are required, as it allows for greater accuracy in the final product. This giant press has a pressure of 9,000 tons. With that kind of force, a part is created from a red-hot piece of iron with a single push. The red-hot metal can emit a bright glow that varies from deep red to bright white, depending on the temperature. When metal is heated to red temperature, it can also emit a distinctive smell that is often described as a mixture of burning wood and metal. Look at this epic river of molten metal. I can't tell for sure, but it looks like lead. This guy's work is not to be envied. If you know what he's doing, post a comment. I'll be interested to read it. Here's how rolling the steel at about 80 meters per minute works. That's a giant furnace for melting metal. I think you can make a pizza in 3 seconds in such an oven. This is probably one of the most epic videos in this episode. Though no, there will be more epic moments ahead. Red-hot metal can also create sparks on impact, which can be seen in fireworks and other pyrotechnic performances. The process of heating metal to red hot and then cooling it rapidly is called hardening. This method can be used to harden metals such as steel. Some metals, such as titanium, require extremely high temperatures to reach a red-hot state. Titanium can only be heated to red-hot temperatures in a vacuum or in an inert gas atmosphere, such as argon. Red-hot iron is a fascinating material that has been used by humans for thousands of years. When iron is heated to a red-hot temperature, it becomes malleable and easier to shape, making it an important material for blacksmiths and metal workers throughout history. Red-hot iron is also a key component in the steel-making process, as it can be combined with other metals like carbon to create strong, durable alloys. One of the most interesting properties of red-hot iron is its vibrant glow. As the temperature of the iron increases, it emits a red-orange light that intensifies into a bright yellow and eventually a blinding white. This phenomenon is caused by the metal's electrons absorbing and releasing energy as they heat up and cool down. In addition to its use in manufacturing, red-hot iron has also played a role in cultural practices and traditions. In some cultures, iron was considered a sacred material that was believed to have protective and healing properties. In others, red-hot iron was used as a form of punishment or torture, with people being branded or forced to hold onto hot metal objects as a way of inflicting pain. Overall, red-hot iron is a versatile and intriguing material that has played a significant role in human history and continues to be an important component in modern industry. Its unique properties and striking appearance make it a captivating material to study and work with. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Please write your comments. Bye.